Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Afterpay at Kroger. So simply log on to your Afterpay app, open your app and log on to your account. So once you have logged on, what you have to do is on the search bar, search for Kroger, and then you will see Kroger US on the search list. So you just have to select that. Once you select the Kroger, you will be redirected to the official Kroger site through Afterpay. Okay, so you're going to do this through Afterpay. So once you're on the Kroger site, now you are free to browse and add any items that you wish to purchase. Just add it to your cart and proceed to the checkout. So when you get to the checkout, all you have to do is select Afterpay as the payment method, and you can complete the purchase. So in order to do this, you need to make sure that you are accessing the Kroger site through Afterpay. So make sure you're accessing it through the Afterpay app. All right. And then this mostly works on the US only. So keep that in mind as well. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.